that is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights, they are the rights given to us by our constitution, and they are laid above the constitution, right? They are laid above the law. So why? Because they make us to live in a proper condition, and that too with the majorities. If our constitution says that no one is in minority or majority, but people are all equal. So these fundamental rights are made to make the minorities also not to feel discriminated, but they have all the equal opportunities, right? So there are 6 fundamental rights, as we say, they are 6 in numbers, right? And to remember all these 6 rights, we are going to have a small clue of how to remember all these 6 rights. It is E, E, R or E, E, R, then F, C, C, right? It can be in this form or it can be in the form of E, F, E, R, C, C, right? Whatever is easy, you can learn according to that, or you can remember this thing. Remember this and you will be recalling all the 6 rights, right? So the first fundamental right what we are going to study, which we are going to study, is the right to equality, right? The first one is right to equality. Equality means equal. Clear? So this right gives us the power to live in a proper equal manner. Clear? Means you must have heard people saying that don't touch this person. Why? Because this person is untouchable. Don't touch because this is the shoes. This is shoes. He is shoes or she is shoes. Right? Don't touch him or don't touch her. Don't go to the same well where this person is drinking water. This is called untouchability, and we have the right to what? Overcome all these things. We should treat each one as equal. We should not say that this person is untouchable or we should not touch this person or we should not go. We all have the right to access the same public property which the other person is doing. Means if you are in the school and a person of a low or a child of low class is studying amongst you, will you discriminate? No, na? You all are friends. You all have the equal right because you are a human being. You have the right to study. That person also has the right to study, and this is why we say that we should be all treated as equal. There should be no discrimination on the basis of caste or creed of a particular person. And this strength our constitution has given us by giving us this right to equality. Means that we all are equal and we have all the right to do whatever we want. But right means what? Right doesn't mean that you can do whatever you want. But rights are given to us by the society, and means it should be what? It should be under the rule of the society. Means you can't do anything that is against society. You can't do anything that's saying that yeah, I have the right to slap this person. You can't do that. You can't slap a person and say that yeah, I have the right, I can slap this person. You can't do. Because what you have to do is that you have to live according to the society, because society has given you